Kia ora level 2 PE whānau. So today, what we're going to be looking at is applying all of the knowledge that we've learnt thus far. So first things first, in part one of this, our koronga ako is to look at John Doe, or a student's performance within the 18.4 and 18.1 pre-testing, as well as the extracurricular activities and commitments, and find out what details and components of fitness we need to address to create chronic adaptations in to ensure that he succeeds in getting a higher grade when he goes to his final testing for both 18.1 and 18.4. Now, going into the scenario, we can see John Doe, or Joe, was able to complete 252 reps within the 20-minute time limit, earning him a merit. Now, what's important here is we can see that he felt the rowing was slightly challenging, so not really that important, but the biggest issue was the jerk and the dumbbell hang clean and jerk. He found the hanging knee raises to be very easy. Now, this is important because we can see that the jerk motion and the hang clean and jerk was challenging. Now, this could be for a number of reasons: his technical efficiency, or his muscular strength, or even his muscular endurance. Now, I would imagine, as some of you are finding, that it would have been his muscular strength that was a limiting factor here. So it's important for us to note that a component of fitness that John or Joe needs to identify and work on in his training program across this next 4-week period is to increase his muscular strength for his deltoid to make him more efficient at the dumbbell hang clean and jerk. We've identified this, so it's important for us to make a note. Okay, so we can see I'm typing in here component of fitness, and that will be, of course, his strength of his deltoid. Otherwise known as the component of fitness as muscular strength. Now we can see also for the 18.4 pre-testing that he wasn't able to complete the workout within the 9 minutes, or within the 9-minute time period. He was, however, able to complete 99 reps, qualifying him for an achieved. Now this is really interesting. He felt that he could have completed the workout if the weight was still 60 kgs the whole way through, rather than increasing to the 85. He found the bear crawls to be very easy. His triceps did get sore on the hand release push-ups too. So what we know from this is he's strong enough to complete 21 reps or more at 60 kgs, but he found the weight of the 85 kg deadlift to be far more taxing and challenging, preventing him from completing the entirety of the workout. So like 18.1, we can see that the strength within the agonists of the deadlift, right, so his quadriceps erector spinae, are his limiting factor. All right, so we're going to make a note of that. Now that means that we need to increase the component of fitness of muscular strength again, right, but of these particular muscles. Now also, what's really positive here too is we can see that he's able to complete all of these workouts, or he believes he's able to complete these workouts, and feels pretty confident and competent with the cardio aspect. So that's great. It also shows, right, that he finds the movements that again utilize his cardiovascular system as well as his anaerobic energy system to be relatively challenging. One other thing he does say though is that his triceps do get sore on the hand release push-ups. So though he's finding the workouts easy, it would say both of those energy systems are good, but it could potentially be that his muscular endurance could be improved upon. So muscular endurance And again, we want to be specific, applying specificity, and identify that his triceps, remember these are one of the prime movers, the agonist within the hand release push up, right? That needs to be improved upon. So tricep muscular endurance. And if we look at his extracurricular activities, he's a representative cyclist for the school, and at the moment is training 3 times a week on a Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday. His training targets his aerobic endurance as he is finishing his pre-season training. Now, this is fantastic. It means he's going to have a good base. His aerobic energy system will be good at providing him with energy as he's training. Now, the issue is, though, with CrossFit, we're going to be utilizing our anaerobic energy system for the most part. And though it's said that he's good at it, and he believes he will be able to complete these 18.4 and 18.1 easily if he's strong enough, I would say it's important too to make sure that he's as efficient as possible with his anaerobic energy system. So I would say another component of fitness that he should be working on is his anaerobic energy system. Now remember, that's the energy system that doesn't use oxygen. In particular, because it's for an extended period of time, it will be his lactic acid system. Right, so we've identified the components of fitness that he needs to improve upon and work on. So I'll leave it there for part 1 of this video, and in part 2 we'll look at how we can apply this information and start creating a training program which will increase all of these components of fitness across that month period to ensure that Joe gets the grades that he's hoping to achieve. Ka kite anō. See you in the next one.